This is a long dancing robot. Basically, you can see you can set alarm and you can set a clock. When the alarm went off, it will sing songs and play light shows until you wake up. Um, as you can see, the light, the clock, the time is shown on the LED. You can press the button A to set the time, or press button B to set alarm time. Alright, and you can turn off the alarm by press A and B at the same time. So this is in alarm mode. So if I say I change the clock and the alarm will went off. Okay, so if I change the time such that the minutes and hours match the alarm, then the alarm will went off again.